During my placement year, I worked at GSK in the Global Pharma Marketing Operations team, specializing in strategy and transformation. My placement year really helped to boost my self-confidence and self-belief, as well as learning how to work under pressure. I had the opportunity to work with an incredibly lovely team that supported and valued me throughout my journey. I was also given a lot of constructive feedback that has helped me to refine my skills and approaches, and I now use them actively on a day-to-day basis. My placement year also helped me to learn the importance of having a routine, being organized and disciplined, which is so valuable to me as I now complete my final year. You should definitely consider doing a placement because it provides you with real life industry experience that is really sought after by employees once you graduate. More so than that, it equips you with a set of transferable skills such as communication and adaptability, which is so useful in a dynamic workplace. And most importantly, it gives you direction as to what you enjoy doing and what you don't.